Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of The Hangar. We always talk about working on a car in the back of a Denny's, and I'm in my car right now. It's a BMW E46, and I got a battery indicator light that started flashing, and then my engine started to overheat, which indicates a serpentine belt, which is a pretty easy fix if you can get your hood open. Which I can't. So I'm in a free parking lot right now. I'm considering trying to drive it home. If the air is enough to keep the engine cool, I can probably make it to my home. If not, I blow a head gasket. I get a new car out of the deal. So I guess stay tuned. Alright, so I made it about halfway home. I think if I wait here another 45 minutes to a half hour, I might be able to get home. We're about to find out. So it looks like I can get about 1/8 of a mile before things start to get bad, where you're talking like head gasket failure, which is, when that happens, it's over. But yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a hot second, try to get another 1/8 mile down the road. You know, obviously, I think a lot of you have probably been through this similar scenario. So if you want to do this, the second it gets into red, pull over to the side of the road, find the nearest parking lot, whatever you can do, and just chill out for a second. Just hang out until your engine cools down a little bit, and then drive a little bit farther, park it, let it cool down until you get home. If you're a long ways from home, call a tow truck. I'm close. So I'm literally almost home. So in the interest of not pushing it, I really wanted to so badly. I'm right around the corner from my house. I made it. I'm honestly a little bit shocked I made it, but I made it. So in that case, I guess stay tuned to the next episode.